Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Check this out. So this is actually a small little wireless mic that's Bluetooth, and you can connect this to your iOS device or Android device. In my case, I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max that we'll connect it to. This thing is really tiny. I didn't actually expect it to be this small. It does have a little microphone right here on the side. You can see the little vent holes right there for the mic. This is the power button. It does have a nice little clip where you can clip it on your shirt or belt or whatever. And it also does have a earpiece that goes in, so you can actually hear side tone where you can actually hear yourself talk. As you're talking through this, you'll be able to hear it through your ear with this in. It does come with a little dead cat that can cover this for a lot of wind. It also comes with this little boot here to cover it to keep minimal noise out. And then it does come with a micro USB to USB charger, which just plugs right into the bottom, very simple, and charges the unit up. It does come with a pretty good quick start guide. I've not tried it out much yet. I did download the app, and the app that you're going to need to download is called SmartMike Plus right there. Open it up. When you turn this on, it should connect. You would go in there to your USB and connect it. And then when you turn your app on, this should connect, which I've already done. You can see the little light come on right here. And it should say, mic not connected right now. Now it says SmartMike Plus, so it is connected. And the audio is going through this. Now this is also the video app, of course. So you video, you click record. It does a little countdown. It's going to start recording video. And you can see my mic levels here on the side. Not talking, you've seen it went down. And you clip this on your shirt. So we're going to take this thing out, make a little video with it, try it out, see how good it works. So if this works, it'd be actually really handy to have a wireless mic for making videos and just clip this on your shirt. And if it works good, we're going to post the video showing the video with this audio that I record on here, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, I'm recording now. You can see I have the mic clipped on my shirt here. This shirt's not very solid to hold the mic, but I did go ahead and plug in the earpiece, which it plugs into the top, so I don't know actually how you would use your dead cat or your little foam booty that goes on there, because this plugs into the top. If you use it, I won't be using this myself. We'll unplug this part and we'll put on the dead cat because it is a little bit windy outside, and we'll take it outside and try it out. Okay, so here we are outside. I got the mic on here. The wind's coming from this direction. Not real bad right now, but it is blowing. I can hear it in the trees over here. My microphone levels look good, maybe a little high. I could probably actually not talk so loud, but there is a setting on here. If you want, you can change all your settings for your mic. You can turn on external mic, you can turn on the phone mic, and change all those settings if you want. And then you can click on a button on here on the screen. It's on selfie right now, so it's aimed toward me. If I click the wide or the tele or zoom, we'll click it on wide. Now that will turn the video around. I'll rotate my phone, and hopefully it'll be doing this real good. So actually I don't have to talk very loud. We'll see how good the video recording quality is. And then we're going to walk away from this thing. You set this thing down and see about how far away I can walk before I lose it. Now I won't know when I'm losing it because I can't see the little graph on there, but I can see that it's still working now. This is probably 25 feet away, which is going to be plenty for most things you do, as long as it's still picking me up. Hopefully it is. You see my house here, hillside, so if I'm videoing something out here, it'd be real cool to have the wireless mic because I can go that far away or further. I'm sure that it tells in the specs how far away to go, but just a quick little review of this thing to see how good it works. And I actually don't know until I put the video on there and check it out. So thank you guys for watching. Check it out below in the link. Catch y'all on the next one, and ride on.